Stop buying expensive moringa powder while you can make it at home. Today, I'll show a simple method of making organic moringa leaf powder at home step by step to preserve its natural color and nutrients, how to store for maximum benefits, and some of its powerful everyday medicinal and nutritional uses and recipes. Behind these ordinary green leaves is a powerful plant, moringa, commonly known as the miracle tree because all its parts are beneficial. From leaves to roots, dense in nutritional and medicinal properties, pods to seeds in domestic uses. Amongst its many other benefits are regulates blood sugar, strengthens immunity, improves digestion, a pain reliever, menopausal symptoms relief to mention but a few. Its other regional names include mzungi in Swahili, Murunga in Tamil, Malunggay in Philippines, Pokok Kelor in Malaysia, and Murungakai in Malayalam. The process. Carefully pluck moringa leaves, removing discolored ones, damaged or insect-eaten leaves. In a basin of cold water, put 1 tablespoon of bicarbonate of soda. This loosens dirt and super cleanses the leaves. Let soak for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse and remove from water. Onto a drying tray, spread the leaves evenly. I'm using this traditional tray. It enables excess water to drain off. Then go ahead to cover with a food net to protect the leaves from flies and other insects. Put to dry under a shade as direct sunlight destroys some of its nutrients. It took 3 full days to completely dry. Blend to powder or you can sieve for a more fine texture, then regrind any coarse particles. Store in an airtight glass jar in a cold, dry place. This stays for 6 or more months for best quality. 2. Moringa infused tea. Steep fresh moringa leaves or powder into boiling water for 5 to 7 minutes. You can choose to add lemon to enhance flavor. I did both the shot and the tea to show the difference. This is tea. Here is the shot. Dark and more concentrated as you can see. Now I'll add a half lime juice into the shot, then 1 tablespoon honey. Give it a stir. That's the up close view. The tea is taken gradually for gentle calming effects and hydration on a chilly day. On the other hand, moringa shot is taken in a single gulp. Consume on an empty stomach in the morning. Let's take it. It's concentrated for rapid high potency boost. Experts recommend fasting in the morning to boost energy and focus, or evening to detoxify the body and manage sugar levels. 3. Smoothies and juices. Use half teaspoon of moringa leaf powder in smoothies or fresh fruit juices. Grab chilled mango juice, add a 1/4 teaspoon, and enjoy for a nutrient-dense boost. 4. Soups and curries. Add fresh moringa leaves or powder to lentils or green grams, soups, stir fries or stews during the final minutes of cooking to retain nutrients just like you use coriander. 5. Salads and omelets. Use moringa leaf powder in salads or stir fry onto omelets. Can as well be mixed in doughs for flatbreads and pancakes. 6. Stir fried dish. These are moringa leaves mixed with okra. Very rich, nutritious, and delicious if paired with rice or ugali. 7. Dipping sauce. I use it to make an awesome dipping sauce using cucumbers, onions, and moringa leaf powder. Goes well with flatbread or potato wedges. 8. Colon cleanse. A very potent colon cleanse to unclog the digestive system during constipation. Mix like this with warm water in a glass. Do not sieve, just drink once. Everything works like magic for constipation. 9. Traditional starchy food. I used moringa leaf powder to make this starchy staple called mokimo that originates from the Gikuyu culture in Kenya. It's made by mashing potatoes with grains like maize or beans and leafy green vegetables to give it a distinctive green color. But I substituted with moringa leaf powder, which exceeded my expectation. Let me know how you use it in your country. Subscribe for more healthy homemade food ideas. Thanks for watching and see you on the next.